Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
So Nissan just popped outside to do you a video of one of our lovely X-Trails that's just come in. So this is a TEKNA version, so it does have full leather on the inside. So just starting you round on your wheels, that lovely silver side step as well. Rear driver's side wheel, round to the back. It does have a full 360-degree camera on it, as well as parking sensors front and rear and an automatic boot opening. Again, that lovely silver side step just running down the side there. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle. Now this vehicle benefits from 7 seats, so you have 3 rear passenger seats with 2 ISOFIX points, 1 in each of the outer seats. Electric boot opening, and in the boot you have the option to have the further 2 seats pulled up, and that is your parcel blind. To the front of the vehicle you have the intelligent key, so you're able to open it without pressing the button. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric full leather seats, and both of these front seats are heated. 4-wheel drive capability, 6-speed manual gearbox, sat-nav, DAB radio, a full 360-degree camera, CD player, dual side climate control with air conditioning, and the automatic parking brake. On your steering wheel you've got your audio controls as well as your cruise control and speed limiter. Lovely vehicle. One of the other nice features about the vehicle is it does have an electric sunroof, and you also have the electric blind up there, which is operated from this little button you can see here. Fabulous vehicles, really good quality, brilliant for families, really nice so that you can have different combinations of seating in them, so very popular indeed. Hope that video helps. If you'd like any further information, please do contact us on the link below. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.